Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about the derivation of a Nernst equation for a single electrode potential. Have you ever heard of a Nernst equation yet? Did you miss it on class when your teacher explained this concept? Well, we have got your back. Now we can discuss each in detail. What is Nernst equation? The equation was first introduced by a German chemist Walther Hermann Nernst. It is a general equation that relates the Gibbs free energy and cell potential in electrochemistry. It is very useful in determining cell potential, equilibrium constant, etc. The Nernst equation provides a relationship between cell potential of an electrochemical cell, the standard cell potential, temperature, and the reaction quotient. Next we can deals with the derivation of a Nernst equation. The Nernst equation for a single electrode potential is E cell equal to E0 minus RT by NF minus ln Q. The relationship between the concentration of an ion and electrode potential is given by the Nernst equation, that is E equal to E0 plus 2.303 RT divided by NF log Mn plus, that is equal to E0 plus 0.059 divided by N log Mn plus, where E cell is cell potential for the cell, E0 is cell potential under standard condition, R is universal gas constant, T is temperature, N is number of electrons transferred in the redox reaction, F is Faraday constant, and Q is reaction quotient. For a reduction reaction, Nernst equation for a single electrode reduction potential for a reduction reaction Mn plus N electron gives Nm is E reduction equal to Mn plus by M equal to E0 Mn plus by M minus 2.303 RT divided by NF log 1 by Mn plus, where R is gas constant. The value is 8.314 joule per kilo mole. T is absolute temperature. N is number of mole of electron involved. F is Faraday constant, that is 96487, nearly equal to 96500 coulomb per mole, that is equal to charge carried by 1 mole of electron. Mn plus is active mass of ion. For simplicity, it may be taken as equal to molar concentration of the salt. Next we discuss about how to derive the Nernst equation. Consider a metal in contact with its own salt aqueous solution. The reaction of a metal losing an electron to become an ion and the ion gaining electron to return to the atomic state are equally feasible and are in equilibrium state. That is, Mn plus N electron gives Nm. In reduction reaction, N mole of an electron is taken up by the ion against the reduction potential of E reduction. The derivation of a Nernst equation involves 5 steps. First one, work done in moment of electron, that is W reduction equal NFE reduction. Second step is change in the Gibbs free energy in indication of the spontaneity, and it is also equal to the maximum useful work done in process. Combining work done and Gibbs free energy, that is W reduction equal NFE reduction equal minus delta G or delta G equal minus NFE reduction. Third step is change in the free energy at the standard condition of 298 Kelvin and 1 molar or 1 atmospheric pressure condition is delta G0. From the above relation, it can be written that delta G0 equal to minus NF E0 reduction, where E0 reduction is reduction potential measured at the standard condition. Fourth step is during the reaction, concentration keeps changing and potential also will decrease with rate of reaction. To get maximum work or maximum free energy change, the concentration have to be maintained the same. This is possible by carrying out the reaction under reversible equilibrium condition. For reversible equilibrium reaction, Van Hoff isotherm says delta G equal to delta G0 plus RT ln K, where K is equilibrium constant, that is product by reactant equal to Mn divided by Mn plus. R is gas constant, that is 8.314 joule per Kelvin mole. T is temperature in Kelvin scale. Fifth step is substituting for free energy change in Van Hoff equation, that is minus NFE reduction equal to minus NFE0 reduction plus RT ln M divided by Mn plus, that's equal to minus NFE0 reduction plus 2.303 RT log Mn divided by Mn plus. Dividing both sides by minus NF, we get E reduction equal to E0 reduction minus 2.303 RT divided by NF1 log Mn divided by Mn plus. The activity of a metal is always considered as a unity. E reduction equal to E0 reduction minus or E Mn plus by M equal to E0 Mn plus by M minus 2.303 RT divided by NF log 1 by Mn plus. For reaction conducted at a 298 Kelvin but at a different concentration, the Nernst equation is E Mn plus divided by M equal to E0 Mn plus divided by M minus 2.303 into 8.314 into 293 divided by N into 96500 log 1 by Mn plus, that's equal to E0 Mn plus divided by M minus 0.0591 divided by N log 1 by Mn plus. So, the Nernst equation for a single electrode potential is E equal to E0 plus 2.303 RT divided by NF log Mn plus equal to E0 plus 0.059 divided by N log Mn plus. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start a class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.